Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar monthly time frame, we have a couple different options here. I mean, the more likely option I still think probably is that it's going to go down towards this bottom line, probably taking out all these lows, making like an expanding move before it actually does go up and make this higher move that I've been talking about. But we can definitely keep in mind that it could make a higher low. So we're either going to make a higher low and turn back up, or we're likely to make a lower high and turn back up. Either way, we should be able to recognize the turn when it really does happen. Taking it down to the weekly time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last move up. We're starting to close below the 78%. I mean, we had to come to the realization that this does not have to end. This could easily continue to push down to take out all these lows before it actually does turn back up. So the trend is definitely still down as of now. Going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I said, normally when price closes below the 78% of any given move, normally that means that it will end up taking out the 100%. So I was thinking that possibly we would go up and make a possible correction to this move down, but it's starting to look more likely like this might just keep on trending down. Until we actually have a change in trend, we definitely should be still looking for sorts in a downtrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here. Really, this correction is probably already over. We had 1, 2, 3 waves up right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Nice engulfing move to the downside. Another beautiful trend entry on Friday. I do understand that when the trend keeps on stretching out like this, it starts to get a little difficult to continue to look for sorts when the trend has been going on for so long. But like I was explaining on the higher time frames, this trend is still not over, and it still could easily continue to down. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame is where you can start to see the 1, 2, 3 pattern, the ABC up, the 50% Fibonacci retracement bounce, the engulfing move to the downside, which would have been a really nice entry to go short. Technically, Thursday evening, Friday morning would have been the entry. Now, since that end of a correction, we definitely have what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way pattern. So if it does go up and break this high, then the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and then observe to see if it makes a correction to those 5 ways down, or if it just keeps on going up and takes out these highs. But that all depends on whether we get a break of structure. If we don't get a break of structure, then even as a short time frame trader, you definitely should be looking for shorts. If it just keeps on going down, you do not want to get stuck trying to go long. If it breaks structure, like I said, then it's either going to make a correction to the last 5 ways down, or possibly it could be a trend reversal, go up and take out these highs. Either way, the trend is down on basically every single higher time frame, and if you want to be trading with the trend, then you definitely should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.